Khubojylla menta ka Pynheh ban Pynheh Shuh ika Meghalaya House Nongbah Delhi batna ka benta kani umintri rangba Khubojylla Konrad ke sangma menta ka sngi ulabu mau nongrim rengkat ka jingedon lang sembut menteri rangba Khubojylla ba prestun tensong rengkat umintri GAD ba sostenes sotun yakini ka kompleks ba Thymmai enchina ki art kala bat ha kala beningkong enchina do arpu southly ki guest house ringkat ba meeting room bantei ha ka jingmang ba arpu ark lur tingka umintri rang ba ha ka jingkren uloong ba ka jing Pynheh ka Meghalaya house kalong da ka thong ban a Shuh ka jing shakri ki pai ba Khubojylla kumju ik he sarkar ki bawan don kam hanong ba.
Give a round of applause.
अभी मेरे पास वो भी है This is a look. This is a 3D look of and we are entering the site. This is a gateway and these are the two blocks. It's a D2 block and it's a D3 block. And the most thing is it is interconnected through the skywalks.
We dismantle all that. We leave it that one.
Previously, take it up. So this is our Khubor. We are standing here.
And with all of these efforts, we are very hopeful that we will be having a very, very good infrastructure out here with adequate facilities, modern facilities and proper service so that people, when they come from Meghalaya to be here in Delhi, this should be always their first choice. And we would not in the future have to look for any other space in any other facilities apart from the Meghalaya houses that we have in Delhi. So this is really what our objective is, and I'm very happy today that we have been able to lay the foundation stone for this. And I do urge the PWD department to ensure that the work is done in the best possible manner and most importantly by the best people, so that this infrastructure comes out to be excellent as well as the construction is done on time. Also, and obviously the most iconic is going to be this particular area where we want this to happen. But having said that, I do take this opportunity because all the Meghalaya House staff people are here, that at the end of the day, infrastructure is only infrastructure. What makes this a Meghalaya House and what makes this a public space is ultimately the kind of service that we give to the people out here. So I cannot but reiterate and mention to all of you that whenever anybody who comes from our state, it is very important for each and every one of you to ensure that they feel at home. And that the new building cannot do. That a new car cannot do. That is only the human touch that you guys can give. So I do appeal to all of you that I hope that you will be reminded about this every time you see a person coming from our state to stay out here. And you can put yourself in their place and just imagine that a smile for a person who has never been to Delhi, because you're always in Delhi so you feel it's normal. But suddenly somebody comes from the village and is lost, but suddenly sees his or her own person smiling and saying, "Welcome to Meghalaya House, Delhi. I hope your journey was good. I hope you're okay. Don't worry, we are here to take care of you." Will make a world of difference to their mind. Even if the rooms are bad, they will feel at home because of the kindness that you have shown. So I do appeal to all of you that at the end of the day, every day when you get up in the morning, Remind yourself why you are here, what you are doing here. When you remind yourself that, the irritation within you also will go away. You know,